to game 2, we will be on the play. This hand is bad. This hand isn't good, but I'm not gonna mulligan to 5 here, and this could buy us some time. Let's see how it goes. The high piece is not bad. Not bad at all. That's also fine. At least we can play it. Doesn't play anything interesting. And we'll play a Seneca and leave up a black. Still nothing. More and more interesting. Let's bash. And I'll play the throw. And play for the extort. And pass a turn. Yeah, we can't play this guy until something is in the graveyard. Which I'm quite surprised that there's nothing in there yet. I will trade just to get this one active, by the way. That's fine. Okay, let's bash with both of these. And we'll trade. What is that, a Boros Charm? Okay, in response, let's kill the guy. And now we have 2 spells. And we'll pass a turn. Anything interesting? That's not bad. Just means it'll take more time until I play this. Yeah, let's bash. Same as before. And we'll pass a turn. Let's attack again, and then I'll play Assault Griffin. Now that's interesting. Yeah, it should be. I'm okay with that, so he's probably gonna kill the extort guy. Yep. And yeah, let's put this guy out. Let's see if it works. If he doesn't kill him, he'll probably be dead. But let's see what he does. He has a lot of stuff that he can do. Huron is not one of them. Edict is. Okay. So we're gonna have Assault Griffin, basically. And yeah, I think I'll bash here. I guess he'd want to trade. There's no real reason why not to attack. And I'll attack with... No, there's no reason to attack with him. I'll just animate block. That doesn't really do anything. Okay. And rats. Next turn we'll attack with both. Fine with trading rats for key. Yeah, activate Keyrune. Block that guy. Interesting. Okay, so it just prevents 1 damage. Very well. Ow. That's not good. Really? You don't put in the Keyrune as well? Wow, Aurelia's good. What do I do against Aurelia? Not that. Let's pass a turn. Basically, I need one of the removal spells. Quick. Or I'm dead in 2 turns. Now that's unfortunate. Yeah, I'll take it. And 11, then to 8. I'm still not sure why he's not attacking with the Keyrune. Guildgate is not what I want. So we have 1 more? No, actually we don't. We're just dead. He taps at the end of his turn, then taps again. And then on my turn, then taps on his turn, and we're dead. Not a fun. So does he tap my creature? Let's see if this works. Let's see if he'll go for it. The only way I'm not dead is if he doesn't attack. Now I'm dead. Yep, Aurelia's good. That was unfortunate. Any of the removals would have been fine. But, wasn't meant to be. Anyway, I'll see you guys in round number 2.